So this laptop has been admitted to the hospital because my little boy decided to do experiment. He poured water onto the keyboard and kept pouring and pouring until the water came all the way to the bottom and the laptop was soaking water and it went bing. The laptop and CoComelon shut. So I had to take it and see what I could do and see if I could fix it. So let's follow and see what happens next. As you can see, there is water that has entered under the board, on the keyboard, under it, and also parts of the motherboard. Everything was soaked in water. Everything. In fact, when you turn the laptop, water was just coming from the side like that. So I've taken the keyboard out. As you can see, there are still some debris of water. Now, with what I see means we have to open the laptop and get all the water out, because I tried turning it on when I came without knowing there was water inside, and the laptop just signaled me and then went off. Then I was praying the water has not damaged it, since there was water in it whilst I was turning it on, until I lifted it. So here I'm just removing all the components that is connecting to the board so that we can dry this laptop. So this is the fan. I've removed it. I've removed the keyboard, the motherboard. So this is the chassis. That's the. Now I'm taking it out to go and dry it outside. So follow me as we go outside. Luckily the sun is out, and we are hoping no one comes to take anything from here or nothing falls. So this is the keyboard, the chipset, everything on it. The sun is also shining very well. Good for us. So this is the hard disk removed, keyboard removed, fan removed, motherboard removed. Now I'm bringing the remaining part of the laptop. Everything has been removed so that it can dry. So here I've put in the laptop. I've put the laptop on a hanger, an air dryer. We are drying the laptop. So this is it. After everything has been exposed, I've cleaned it with brush, hoping that it will work. I'm just praying that. So I've come back after 5 minutes to turn it and then let it dry again, and then pack it back and take it and see if it will work. I pray it works. I hope turning it on whilst it was still soaked in water without me knowing there was water under it has not short circuit anything on the board. Let's pray it works. Let's pray it works. Let's pray it works. We are taking it back to the lab. These are the screws, and we are going to fix everything back. So here am I, taking everything out and now coming to fix everything one by one. So the motherboard, I fixed the fan. That's the fan being fixed. So now I have to put the wireless card connectors and then connect the battery and then the LCD light. Now I have to put the mouse connector on it, and then the power button, and then the speakers. So we connecting everything back. This is for those who want to learn how to connect or open their laptop, in case you have to open every laptop has a way it opens. When you are trying to open it and it's not opening, then it means there's a screw you've not unscrewed. Just check it and don't force anything. Everything should work perfectly. So now fixing the keyboard back, connecting it onto the board, and then aligning everything. I'm just hoping all this effort will not be in vain. It's been more than an hour opening it, drying it, and then fixing it all back again. So let's see if it will work. I think I'm finished with the top part. So now let's connect the hard disk and the RAM. So I've put back the RAM. Oh, Let's hope it works. Let's hope it works. Let's hope it works. Let's hope it works. After 1 hour, 2 hours, let's hope it works. Let's hope this works when we are done. So I've finished tightening everything, putting over the screen. Now I have not tested whether the thing is working, but I'm fixing all the screws back because I'm sure the way it's dry, no water will short circuit anything. I was just hoping and praying that nothing on the board has. So I've put the CD-ROM. This is an old laptop. Still have CD-ROM. Cover everything. Voila. Now decision time. Let's see if it will turn on. Decision time. Let's see if it will turn on. Okay, I want to pick the battery. Let's see if it will turn on. Will it turn on? Oh yes. Let's hope. Please turn on. And it didn't turn on. Second try, it didn't turn on. So I had to leave it for like 4 or 5 hours, and then I came and opened it back all again, then fit it again, remove the CMOS battery. I noticed power has now reflected, and so power was out. Then I decided to test again. This after first failure and leaving it there, opening everything up again, trying to remove the power battery just in case there is any short circuit that is still in memory because of the water, clear it, and then fix everything like you saw. I did the same thing again and ensured everything is connecting well. The first time I did, power was not even coming. Now power is coming, everything has loaded, and now it's evening, as you can see.